rest softly on the land, a quiet cottage where dreams still stand. At the gate, a bluebird waits in peace, a gentle sign that blessings increase. The world feels still, the air so kind, whispers of joy drift through your mind. In this calm place, your heart can see how simple moments set the spirit free. A bluebird sings of what's already near, hope in the breeze, a message clear. When life feels calm and the day is bright, goodness arrives like wings in flight. A quiet joy in an open space, a gentle promise wrapped in grace. You breathe it in, the softest glow, a subtle warmth that helps you grow. Each small joy becomes a guide, showing what's true and what's inside. The gate stands open to the day, inviting peace in its own way. You find contentment where you stand, with blessings resting close at hand. A bluebird sings of what's already near, hope in the breeze, a message clear. When life feels calm and the day is bright, goodness arrives like wings in flight. A quiet joy in an open space, a gentle promise